This is a quick video about how to debadge a car. But why debadge? First, it gives a more clean and custom appearance. These black letters are particularly awkward. Second, it makes your car easier to find in a crowded parking lot. Third, it eliminates the need for you to advertise the car's name for the manufacturer. And finally, I hand wax my car. It avoids getting the wax in all of those tiny little letters. The tools are simple: WD-40, dental floss, and your fingernails. It's best to do a test process to see how difficult the removal will be. I already removed the all-wheel drive badge and it was simple. You should be sure to read and follow the manufacturer's instructions on any chemicals you use. So let's get going. Using a little bit of WD-40 to dissolve the adhesive. I'd already coated it a little bit earlier. Bit of a mess, so I'm going to use some paper towels to clean it up. The paint is fairly impervious to the WD-40. Some nice dental floss, and let's get in and see how this works. One down, 6 to go. I just use my fingernails to remove the adhesive. These are a little bit tough, a little bit thicker than the earlier ones I did, but with time it comes off. Now, these letters are a little tougher than most, so I've called for refreshments. It's taking about 5 minutes per letter. Subaru shifted manufacturing from the US to Japan. Apparently in Japan, they're using a little bit better adhesive, but once this job is started, it will be finished. But I'm retired. I'm not going anywhere else tonight, so let's get it done. Cheers. Getting down to the end of it here, one B letter left. There is a bit of a hiccup in skill as you do this. Good to have some fingernails. I wish I'd left mine a little bit longer before I embarked on this effort, but once I started, I need to finish it up. So far, looking pretty good. What do you think? In the end, you can kind of just use the paper towel to get a lot of it off and a little bit of fingernail work. Fingernails are almost the perfect thing for here because they do not scratch the surface of the car and it leaves a nice smooth surface. When this is all done, I'll clean it up, wax it up, and you'll see the result and can compare the start to the finish. Invested, I don't know, 40 minutes in this. So this glue is way tougher than some of the American glues on the prior Outbacks that have been built in the USA. So, give yourself an hour or more to do this job and see if you like the results. Now, if you wanted to have a little fun, you could reorganize the letters to spell the only other 7-letter word you can make with Outback, and that is back out, or one of 27 other words with fewer than 7 letters. But as for me, I'm going to leave it clean without the letters the way I prefer. I would set aside about an hour for this. The adhesive was fairly tough. I probably got it done in about 35 minutes, but I have a little experience and maybe I have tough fingernails. So anyway, that is Debadging a 2026 Subaru Outback. I appreciate your watching and good luck with your project.